Lay supine on the floor and bend one knee up. Put your hands behind your lower back to maintain the natural curvature of your spine. This protects your tailbone. Pretend that there is a scale under your head and shoulders, and lift up your head and shoulders so that the scale will read 0. Keep the crown in line with the rest of the torso. Common things that I'll see is people will tuck their chin to their chest like this. We don't want that. We want the head in line with the rest of the body. People will also push up with their elbows. We want to use the core. And sometimes people use their elbows and hands to lift themselves all the way up. We're trying to use the core here to lift the torso up along with the head in line.